guys, what's up? Today we are going to do my everyday makeup routine. We were shooting some photos and we had like half an hour, so I thought I would do the makeup routine in the studio because it's a beautiful aesthetic. Way better than my apartment. Okay, excuse the noise. There's a major road out there and hopefully it's not that loud. Okay, so lately I've been using the Smashbox Photo Finish Primer and Moisturizer. I don't know. I don't have an opinion on this yet. It's nice, but I don't know. I'm also wearing like body bronzer right now because I don't have a spray tan on, but I'm getting one, and like this makeup routine is definitely when I have a spray tan because all my face products are really dark, so if I seem streaky, it's because I did it with a paper towel on my body. For face products, couple things. I got this Juice Beauty Stem Cellar CC cream. It's really nice, really lightweight, like it doesn't really provide a lot of coverage. So it's really nice for those days where like you really don't want to wear makeup. I also got this Sunday Riley, the influencer. I think this is really new. And I got this in a really dark color because I was really tan when I was in California. So I got it in the 220. And then I also, this is like a lighter color. This is the Maybelline Super Stay Full Coverage. So what I've been doing, this is super dark. So I've been mixing these together. So I actually don't have an opinion on this yet because I've only been really mixing these two together. But this will be really great in the summer, I think. Let's do that. And then I got this Fenty Beauty sponge, which is like a beauty blender, but it was like 16 bucks. So I'm just taking a little dab of the Sunday Riley and then mixing that in with the Maybelline. I also got this It Cosmetics brush that I like a lot, but I'm gonna use this little beauty blender. Looks a little dark, but we can fix that. And I don't use that much product. I want to keep it kind of natural, but I do have some stuff to conceal, obviously, because I have acne scarring, which is very annoying. Just a light sort of base over the whole thing to just even out the skin tone, to make it mesh with my body. Next, I've been using the Tarte Shape Tape. This is in medium, light medium. And under the eyes, concealing, kind of been using it for everything. Don't have too much to conceal. Just a little scarring, classic. And then I'm just gonna dab that in under the eyes of the other side of the Beauty Blender, or Fenty, what is it called? Okay, that should be good. Hopefully you can see, but it's a nice texture, nice color. It doesn't look too makeup-y, which I like. Powder. I ran out of my Glossier Wowder, so I went back to my Laura Mercier translucent powder, but it's a fave. And I'm just gonna put this in some spots that I want to set. Mostly the chin. And I like my lips a lot, so I always get this like ring around my lips of like pasty white skin showing through. And then I do have the Laura Mercier brightening powder for under the eyes, but honestly, on a day-to-day, I'm pretty lazy, so I just end up using this powder as well. And I always have to do my eyelids because they crease like crazy. It's so loud outside. Bronzer, I have really been loving the Hoola Light for the day. I got these little sample packs. Came in like a huge set, like came with a bunch of blushes. So this is the Hoola Light, and I actually really like the color of it. I like the way it looks on the skin, and if you're not super tanned, I think it's like a way better option than the darker Hoola, because that can be a little intense if you're really pale. I have like a bit of a tan. Well, like my foundation's kind of dark because I put that tanning stuff on. But this is definitely like what I use during the day now because I'm definitely looking for a more natural look. I need everyone to shut the fuck up. So I'm not really looking to contour that much or anything, but just give a little bit of like slight definition to the face. I can't talk with the truck in the background.
Just yell.
And then if I wanted to just make a more chiseled look, I would add a bit of this hula, but again, very lazy. Also great product. Like if I was doing the Juice Beauty kind of thing, I would use the Glossier Stretch Concealer to give like a really natural look, but I think I'm gonna do the more natural look in the summertime for you guys. I feel like it's more of a summertime vibe. For blushes, I've been using two. I've been using the Benefit Dandelion blush and the Benefit California blush. Two very different vibes. This is a really corally tone and this is a baby pink. Both really pretty, just depending on what you want. I'm gonna go with the corally tone today. Or maybe I'll do baby pink. Let's try it. Use a stippling brush for this because it's the one that's just in my makeup bag right now. That's what baby pink looks like. It's very, very natural. It's gonna add a bit of Coralista on top, or California, not Coralista, California. And I find that like peachy corally blushes definitely makes you look more like glowy and tan. The Glossier Cloud Paint in Beam makes you look beautiful and glowy. That's a good one. But I've been feeling the powder blushes. I'm gonna have a breakdown. Like, blush is done. This is just a shitty instant matte setting spray. It's from Essence. I got it in a PR package and I've just been using it. It's not the best. I definitely like the Urban Decay All Nighter setting spray, and I like the Skindinavia one, which is really nice. But this one was in a PR package and I just want to use it because I don't want to waste product. Glossier Halo Scope is like one of my favorite daytime highlighters. Super easy to apply, you don't have to be precise about it, and this is like a makeup look that you can literally do in 5 minutes if you're not talking to a camera. The last time I did a 5-minute makeup routine, everyone was like, this is like 10 minutes long. I'm like, yeah, well, that's what happens when you have to explain everything to a camera. That's what I do all the time. So something just like really natural. For brows, I don't do my brows, but sometimes if I'm having a crazy brow day, I'll use the Glossier Boy Brow. But I usually just brush them out with a spoolie. Boy Brow is nice though, it's just a clear one. I don't really need to add anything to my brows because they're very thick. So it depends on how they're feeling that day. Mascara, I'm back to my L'Oreal Telescopic Mascara. I love this mascara. I think it's just gives your lashes the best like wispy long look, which is always what I'm going for. I don't really go for volume. I usually just go for like length. What happened there? I usually just go for length. This is a very heavy mirror. Lately I haven't really been putting mascara on the bottom. Just like a tiny bit. Oh god, what's going on? I have like 2 lashes on the side that are just very long. I feel like this always happens when you film makeup. It's like one of your lashes or like something just goes severely wrong. Okay, and then lips is kind of like where I've been having more fun with the makeup. I have a few lip products here. On a day-to-day, I'll just go with something really natural, like Glossier Cake, which is just a very natural kind of like brown color. It's just something you can like quickly reapply throughout the day. Love this color. This what is it? Charlotte Tilbury Fresh Rose lip gloss is really nice to like add on top. Just gives like a really pretty fresh vibe. This one you guys were asking about. This is the NARS Hot Blooded. No, wait. Oh no. Yeah, NARS Power Matte Lip Pigment and Hot Blooded. I'm gonna put the Instagram. I'm gonna put the Instagram where I was wearing this. This is a really pretty like peachy color, and then these Sunbum lip tints are really nice as well. I have like a coral and a peach, or a coral and a pink. I guess I could put some of this one on too. But these sunbum ones are nice because they have SPF in them, so you can wear them at the beach or to the pool. And they're just like an easy kind of lip balm. And then this is definitely more of like a lipstick. I wear this more when I like want to look actually like presentable and nice. That's it. That's my everyday makeup routine. We're at like 20 minutes right now, so you could probably get this done in like 10 minutes if you really powered through it. There's also a lot of noise interruptions, so I hope I was able to use this footage. Remember to follow me on Instagram if you haven't already. Subscribe if you haven't already. Like this video. Comment down below if you use any of these products or if you have products in your makeup routine that you love and that I should try out. Other than that, I think that's it. Thank you guys so much for watching. I love you all. Peace and love. Bye.